Hey everyone, today is Mudra Monday and it is also the beginning of a new year. And since yesterday's card for Self-Love Sunday was about love, today's mudra is actually one that we've done before. It's the Anjali Mudra. And essentially what it is putting the palms of the hands together and basically in prayer. And you're going to place it at your heart center. And this is really good for cultivating that divine love, that divine awareness. It's also good for reducing stress and easing tension and just connecting with the divine that lives and breathes within you as you. So get into a comfortable position where you won't be disturbed for a few minutes and close your eyes. And take a deep breath in through the nose and sigh it out. Just allowing that tension, those thoughts and emotions to release. And you can breathe in through the nose, sighing it out. Allowing that tension to release. Just allowing your body, mind, soul to just release all that tension, to begin to calm itself, to step into that awareness. Stepping into that heart-centered awareness at the spiritual heart. At the center of your chest. Just continue to breathe nice and easy. Inhale. Exhale. Becoming more aware of that, of your body, of your mind, of your soul. Just becoming aware of that stillness, that peace within you, letting go anything that you might be holding on to, anything that keeps you stuck or any tension. Just allowing yourself, allowing the breath to flow, allowing that to release. Focusing your attention on the heart center, on the spiritual heart. Beginning to connect your awareness with that divine love, with that divinity within you. Intending to connect with that divine self, that beautiful divine love that is you. Just continue to breathe nice and easy, allowing the breath to flow through the mudra, allowing the connection to the heart center to deepen, and just softening your body, just allowing. If any questions or emotions or thoughts come to the surface, just acknowledge them and allow them to move on. Your main focus here is this mudra, your connection to the divine, to divine love. Just allow it. Just allow that energy to flow. Allowing the breath to flow. And remembering that you are so much more than this body and this mind. Step into that divine love. That is you. Now you can stay here as long as you like. Just basking in that divine love, connecting on a deeper level. And whenever you are ready, just make sure you are gentle with yourself, bringing yourself out of this mini meditation. Thank you for being here. Much love to you. Namaste.